Good morning, dears. Myself, I am your social science teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. How are you all? Hope you all had your breakfast. Are you ready for the session? Shall we recall what we have read yesterday? I hope you all safe at home and enjoying your corona holidays, right? Yes. Shall we recall what we studied yesterday? Our earth. We studied about how did the earth form and universe. We know about the explanation of universe. What is galaxy? We see the example like Milky Way galaxies. What is a solar system? How it consists of? Solar system consists of these things. And what are the 8 planets in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Then we see solar system diagram and its planets which is rotating and revolving around the sun. Where is our earth in the solar system? Earth is one of the 3rd planet from the sun and 5th largest in solar system. And also earth has 2 movements, rotation, revolution. Earth's rotation may cause day and night. Earth's revolution cause seasons to change. Yes, dears, the example for seasons: summer, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon, winter. We are in southwest monsoon. Shall we move on to the discussion between father and Imayan? Father replied, "Life is possible only on the earth because of the presence of land, air and water." Life is possible only on the earth because of the presence of land, air and water. Imayan replied, "Oh, I see. What is the distance between the sun and earth?" Because earth is the 3rd planet, right? So he wants to know the distance between sun and earth. His father replied, "The distance between the sun and the earth is nearly 150 million kilometers. How many distance from sun to earth? It is 150 million kilometers. 150 million kilometers. The distance between the sun and the earth is nearly 150 million kilometers. Imayan asked his father, "Say some more interesting facts about planets, Dad." So, he wanted to know about the planets. His father replied, "Mercury and Venus lie near to the sun." Okay, which is near means which is in short distance. Compare with earth. Okay, Mercury and Venus lie near to the sun. Next to earth is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets nearer to the sun are very hot because sun is already, we know, sun is very hot. So the planets nearer to the sun are very hot. Which are the planets which is very near to the sun? Mercury and Venus are nearer to the sun. So Mercury and Venus are hotter planets. The planets away from the sun are very cold. The planets away from the sun are very cold. Mercury is the smallest planet. Which is the smallest planet? Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Do you know Venus is called Earth's twin? Venus is called Earth's twin. Twins, we know the meaning of twins, right? The two persons who resemble each other, identical twins, non-identical twins, we know what is twins. Mars is described as the red planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Which one is called blue planet? Earth is called the blue planet. It comes in 1 mark question. Saturn is the ringed planet. Which one is the ringed planet? Saturn is the ringed planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Mars is described as a red planet. Venus is called Earth's twin. Then the Imayan replied, "Wow, amazing! Where do we live on the earth? Where do we live on the earth?" His father replied, "We live on the earth. We live on the surface of the earth. It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans." It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. This is the third question. It comes under the 5 mark from here to here. Okay, yes. It is one important 5 mark. 5th Roman letter, 3rd subdivision. We live on the surface of the earth. It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. Imayan replied, 7 continents? What are they? My dear students, do you know what are the 7 continents we have? His father replied, "Listen, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia." What are the 7 continents? Repeat after me. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Imayan replied, "Which is the biggest continent?" His father replied, "The Asia continent where we live is the biggest of all." Where we live? We live in the Asia continent. The Asia continent we live is the biggest of all. Australia is the smallest one. Australia is the smallest one. Antarctica is the snow-covered landmass. Antarctica is a snow-covered landmass. This is, let us know, easy to remember. A for nose. A for nose. Which means 4A. What are the A's? Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia. These are the 4 words which start in letter A. Yes, Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia are the A4. Nose. NO means North America. North. N. America. SE. South America. E means Europe. Okay, dears. Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America, Europe. A for nose. So next, here is the continents and oceans. Is it clear? Are you all able to see? This is continents and oceans. Where is the continents? North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. These are the continents and Antarctica. Okay. Oceans. What are the oceans? Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Clear, dears? We are in Asia. Shall we move? Let us know. The surface of the earth is classified into different landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal plains, valleys, deserts and islands. The highest peak on the earth is Mount Everest, 8,848 meter in the Himalayas. Which is the highest peak on the earth? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak on the earth. Shall we move on to the conversation? Imayan asked his father, "What are the 5 oceans, Daddy?" What are the 5 oceans, Daddy? His father replied, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. This is 2 mark question. What are the 5 oceans? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. 71% of the earth is covered by the water and 29% is covered by landmass. About 96.5% of water is saline in nature. 2.5% of water is fresh water and 1% of water is easily accessible. Easily accessible. Do you know the average depth of the oceans is 3,800 meter. The deepest point on the ocean is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench, which is located in the Pacific Ocean. Imayan replied, "Thank you, Daddy. Today I have learned a lot about the earth from you. Now I am going to study and do my homework." Father replied, "Okay, Imaya, go and study." Yes.